Hey guys, Andrew here with White Diamond Detail Products. Today we're going to be showing you how to quick detail your vehicle with our White Diamond interior exterior detail spray. When using our interior exterior detail spray, what you want to do is get a nice section of microfiber that's clean that you can use to rub on the paint surface. Just mist a little bit on the rag and get it primed for the paint. And then what I like to do is just mist a little bit onto the paint for you to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up top. And one of the great things about our quick detail, as it says on the bottle, this is an interior exterior detail spray. It has a lot of versatility. You can use this to clean, protect any surface on the exterior of the vehicle. So you're going to see me go across all the painted surfaces, any trim, any moldings, whether it's plastic or rubber, any auto glass. And this is going to lift dirt away from the paint surface. Anything that's been left behind from our wash, move it into the rag and leave a nice layer of wax on. You can see as it's drying up. I'm going to switch to a nicer, cleaner section of the rag and keep going. You can see when it comes off, it leaves a really high shine finish. So now that we have this exterior panel cleaned, this is my favorite part of the quick detail. We're going to take the same product, we can open this up and clean all of the interior aspects of this door. So we're just going to mist the panels, the vinyl and the plastic, and even the inside of the window, and start cleaning. All of these surfaces on the inside of the car build up oil from your hands. Any kind of activity in the car like eating leaves residue. And this quick detail is going to do a great job of pulling all of those oils and contaminants off of the surface of the door and giving you a nice, dry, clean finish. If you're used to using products that have maybe a silicone base or leave a greasy finish, you're going to love quick detail. Because like I said, you get a nice dry finish on any of your interior surfaces. It's truly a powerful cleaner and protectant that leaves a nice, clean finish. So now that we have some of the exterior and interior cleaned, I'm going to show you guys how quick detail works on your rims and your tires. So when we just finished up washing this wheel, now that it's dried, you can see there's just a little bit of contaminant still stuck on there, a little bit of brake dust maybe. So just like any of the other aspects of the car that we cleaned, we're just going to mist quick detail liberally on this rim and start cleaning, see what we can pull off. And I like to move the sections of the microfiber around a lot. As you guys know, that helps reduce the chance of scratching, keeping that section that's making contact with your vehicle clean. And just with one pass, we're able to lift a lot of dirt, and you can see because the shine is greater after I've made the pass with the quick detail. Once again, guys, this is going to have a protectant built right into it. It's going to lift contaminants away from the rim before you wipe, which reduces the chance of scratching. One of the quickest, easiest formulas to reach to. I recommend everybody keeps one of these in their car somewhere because there's literally nothing that you can't clean with the quick detail. And another great thing about quick detail is that this is a cleaner, but it's a gentle enough cleaner to where it's not going to remove wax that you've already put on your rim or your vehicle. So you're going to be able to add to that protection, actually increase the endurance of the protection you've already applied to your vehicle, and keep it clean at the same time. And there you have it, guys. That's how you clean anything on the exterior or interior with our White Diamond Quick Detail.